Let's talk about Friedman had a op-ed piece over the weekend. I think it was Friday actually. Startups versus bailouts was basically the essence, and this is something that I think the essence of the article, the op-ed was basically let's stop spending money on bailing out banks, mortgage companies,
junk.
Auto companies that now all of us taxpayers own and then is being spun off as public entities. And nobody can figure out what it is. It's all boondoggle. And using tax incentives for the small guy, for the small business owner. From I think he referenced the Kauffman Foundation between 1980 and 2005. The small business owner created 40 million jobs. That's where the new jobs are going to come from.
Yeah,
just like we're talking about here in town. Let's stop bailing out the old guard industry and start with new. Change is good, folks.
Just like local economic development all the way up through DC, clearly nobody understands needs of a small business, and getting a tax credit for somebody that has no revenues is kind of pointless.
Yeah.
So tax credits and all this other stuff is just ridiculous. It's either provide some funding or research dollars is kind of the old model, the DARPA model, where you get some government funding, go build something, but you still own the commercial rights to it. Right. And use the formula that's worked, and instead of ridiculous things that they think will spur growth. Right. I mean, it's like the healthcare bill is going to spur small business growth. I mean, that's just ridiculous.
Well, it's spurring regulation is what it's spurring. It's congesting.
That's another topic.
That's a whole other topic.
But it's not going to spur growth.
Listen, the iPad came out Friday. They sold more iPads than they did first generation of iPhones, 300,000 or so. I think they've sold already in the first 3 days. Unbelievable numbers. We're going to go check it out over at Connecting Point, see what they have. I heard they didn't have huge lines there or at Best Buy. Best Buy, by the way, has them in town. So check that out. I also stopped by the AT&T wireless store yesterday. On Easter, I was over there just looking to go check out the iPad, but Best Buy, Target, etc. were all closed for Easter, which I thought was unusual. You don't usually see the major chains all closed on Easter, but they were closed yesterday. So check out the AT&T store. They don't sell iPads, but they do sell iPhones, and they are able to get you a 541 on all of us that have had an iPhone without a 541 number if you're interested. But we're going to go check out the iPad.
Not interested.
Not interested. He's an Android guy. I'm a BlackBerry/iPhone guy. We'll try them all.
Exactly.
If you want to send us product, we'll try them out.
See you later.
So peace.